When the Supreme Court overruled Roe v. Wade, the decision legalizing abortion nationwide, it triggered some states to immediately implement abortion bans. That prompted some companies to offer their employees travel money to get out-of-state abortions. Even before the decision was issued, Starbucks reassured female employees that their health care plan would include, quote, a medical travel reimbursement benefit to access an abortion. So did Procter & Gamble. The multinational health product company already covers travel for organ transplants and other procedures, but promises next year to expand coverage when a doctor, quote, is not available within a 50-mile radius. The identities of women seeking abortion travel funds would be protected by a current federal law. When a Texas law banned most abortions, the CEO of Salesforce offered to relocate his employees to another state. That same Texas law and laws in other states criminalize anyone who aids or abets an abortion, which some say could include the health insurer or the company leaders who provide abortion access. Attorney Catherine Bakich with the Siegel Group on Zoom is a leading expert on employer health care benefits.
We're already beginning to see some of these criminal statutes looked at to see whether they are too vague to be enforced.
Insurance companies are subject to state laws, so other experts say states could ban coverage of travel benefits. But initially, it's a cost savings for the company. On Zoom, here's attorney Maxwell Melman, who specializes in healthcare regulation and teaches law and bioethics.
But they also, you have to realize this is economically in their own self-interest, right? Because it's much cheaper to pay, say, $500 to help someone go to another state and get an abortion than it is to pay for a pregnancy with the medical expenses that entails.
Dick's Sporting Goods CEO Lauren Hobart pledged on her LinkedIn page to provide up to $4,000 for abortion travel costs. She acknowledged not everyone would agree with the decision, but for Dick's and similar businesses, it's consistent with the company's sense of identity.
And it may have something to do with their diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives, where they don't want to be sitting on the sidelines and they want to be making their employees and their clients aware of what their position is. I think that's kind of a new phenomena.
For employers, going public with an abortion travel policy is a tough decision because it could backfire and offend conservative customers, or it may attract potential employees. Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.